Hi Sparta Eagles, it's Mrs. Martinez, your librarian. So this week you're going to be learning about inherited traits. Have you ever wondered why other people have different eye color than you? Well, this is the book for you. Stay tuned for after the story to do the activities that I have planned for you. Eye color, brown, blue, green, and other hues by Jennifer Boothroyd. Genes. Humans look similar. We all have the same basic parts. All these kids have eyes, ears, and noses just like you. But humans have differences too. Look closely, all kids don't look the same. These differences are called traits. People can have many different traits. Hair color is a trait, so are dimples and freckles. Do you have freckles? Freckles are a trait. Genes tell your body how to make different traits. Genes are like instructions for your body. We all have different genes, but people have more genes in common with one another than they do with cats or other animals. Birth parents pass on genes to kids. Birth parents are related to their children. Adoptive parents take a child into their family and become his or her parents. You have 2 copies of each of your genes. 1 copy came from each parent. These kids got copies from their genes from both of their parents. Your parents' genes might give you straight hair. They might give you curly hair. They may control whether your hair is dark or light. This girl got genes for curly hair. Her brother got genes for straight hair. Eye color. What color are your eyes? Your genes control your eye color. Take a look at the people around you. How many eye colors do you see? People have many different eye colors. The colored ring in your eyes is called the iris. Find your iris the next time you look in the mirror. Pigment in the iris gives eyes their color. Pigment is a substance that gives your color to something. Skin has pigment too. Pigment also protects eyes from light. That's when light-colored eyes can be more sensitive to light. Their eyes have less pigment to protect them. Brown eyes. Genes come in different forms called alleles. Your mom might give you a blue-eyed allele. Your dad might give you a brown-eyed allele. How does your body know which one to use? What eye color will these future parents give their baby? The body usually uses alleles for brown eyes. Most people have brown eyes. Why does the body usually use alleles for brown eyes? It's because they are dominant. That means they are stronger than other alleles. Stronger brown-eyed alleles give the child brown eyes. Brown-eyed parents can have kids with other eye colors. The members of the family have many different eye colors. This happens when the parents have alleles for both brown eyes and other colors. They might pass on alleles for colors other than brown. This child's parents passed on green-eyed alleles. Blue and other hues. Blue and green eyes are not as common as brown eyes, but you probably have friends with these eye colors, or maybe you have them yourself. Do you know someone with blue or green eyes? Eyes come in other hues too. Gray eyes have less pigment than blue eyes. Gray eyes are lighter than blue eyes. Amber eyes have less pigment than brown. Amber is an orangey yellow shade. Hazel eyes are a mixture of green and brown. This girl has hazel eyes. The alleles that make these colors are recessive. Recessive alleles are weaker than dominant alleles. Both parents in this family pass blue-eyed alleles on to their child. Eye color is one of the many traits made by genes. Genes are passed from parent to child for generations. Genes are passed from grandparents to children. Scientists are still learning about genes. Their findings help understand the human body. This scientist studies genes to learn more about the human body.